Now, not every car has a luxury of having inbuilt safety features if you have an older model car or simply lack the optional add-ons. This might just simply be the perfect add-on for little money. This is the Auto-Vox solar powered wireless reversing camera kit, and it's on the market for a price of just under £130. And for that price, you're seriously going to want to stay tuned to see exactly what you're getting for your money. It's pretty much no effort to install it, no drilling, just simply stick in. And that's all done in less than 5 minutes. It's truly insane. Keep watching. If you simply want to skip straight to the instructions on how to install this, I'll put that in the link in the description. So in the box, you're getting everything you need to get up and running with this guy. You've got the playback screen, monitor mount, charging cable, micro USB, and the backup camera and solar powered panel. So this screen itself is only 5 inches. Not the largest of screens, so do take that into consideration. But here's some interesting, impressive specs about the device that might just shock you before I go ahead and install it and show you its operation. Yes, it is powered by the sun, obviously thanks to that solar powered panel system. In essence, the only part that isn't solar panelled is the screen. That will need plugging into your lighter socket to receive any power at all. But the supplied lighter socket is quite nice as it offers a 2A USB port, so the monitor isn't completely hogging your socket. So they're saying if this receives 30 minutes of daily exposure to sunlight, you'll get about a year's battery life. Now, whether that's true, I'm not sure, it's give or take. But what's pretty impressive is that's even on rainy days. There is a supplied battery in the solar powered panel, and that is purely for backup purposes, if lack of daylight has resulted in no charge. Like I said, the screen is the only thing that is powered by the car. The camera is operated purely through wireless technology, and thankfully that camera and solar panel is IP68 waterproof, so you're not going to experience any water ingress problems at all. Right, now the fun stuff, the install, and when they say it takes less than 5 minutes, they're not lying. So first of all, you're going to need to remove your rear number plate. You probably could even get away without removing it, but to ensure a secure permanent fit, I'd follow the manufacturer's instructions. Once removed, you're going to need to clean the number plate area, then just line up the camera and solar panel so that it's in line with the number plate's location. Once done, you'll be able to remove the red tape and adhere to the fitting. This is extremely strong adhering tape, and what is great, there is no damage which will be caused to the car if you choose to take this off in the future. Now back into your car, find a brilliant location for your monitor. Add your power cable and plug it straight into your car's lighter socket. Now your screen should be operational. Every part of it is operated through the remote control provided or the controls on the side. It's a very discreet and minimalistic controller that you can peel back the film of and adhere to any surface in your car. When you're ready to reverse, click the button and your screen will automatically come on. The screen is okay, it's obviously not 4K, it's not even 720 at best, but it's more than sufficient for its intended use. You can change the adjustable parking lines to find the ones best suited for you, or if you don't want them, you can simply turn them off. And you know what, that's pretty impressive for less than £130 and less than 5 minutes of your time. It's certainly a must-have for any old car that doesn't have anything like this. I hope this review helped. Ensure you check out the product in the link in the description. There's links for the UK, US and lots more, and there is plenty of discount codes there to get a little bit more of a bargain. And if you have any hate, just drop it down below. I enjoy reading that too. Till next time.